Hey guys, welcome back to Yarn Buzz, where the yarn world and the real world meet. I'm Stephen Michael Mooney.
And I'm Shira Blumenthal.
And we're going to talk to you about our favorite things in pop culture this week.
Buzz Stitches! First up, so excited, Royal Family.
Oh.
Okay, there has been a new addition.
Bum. That's French.
Okay. Well, so Louis came out, they did like the whole kind of like baby meets paparazzi.
Did you see?
Princess Charlotte, this thing? Right. She's so cute. She like stole the show. But anyway, so Prince Louis was debuted in this knit blanket.
Yes, which was from G.H. Hurt and Son.
Yeah, and they're like, they do like shawls and blankets, and actually they've done all the babies' premiere looks. And actually, Prince William was presented with a baby blanket from them as well. They've been around for 100 years, which is very cool.
Almost the amount of time she was been around.
Almost. Just a few years short. Just a few years short. So that was really cool. Yeah, very excited. So like, happy baby birthday.
Welcome to the world.
Welcome to the world.
Marvel came out with a movie. The Avengers Infinity War is the fastest movie in the world to make $1 billion, which is incredible.
That's a lot of money.
They made $630 million on their opening weekend.
Which is still a lot of money.
In China, which is their, like one of the world's biggest movie markets, it hasn't even opened there yet. So this movie is making a ton of money.
That's crazy.
You're probably wondering why I'm bringing this up.
Please,
and
tell me why.
You. Well, you should know because a few weeks ago on Tea with Shira, you had the Josh Bennett. And if you've had a chance to check out his knitwear, his line of sweaters for the Marvel movies, they're incredible.
They're amazing.
How does he go through this transformation of human to superhuman? And that's what the three pieces I did kind of tell the story of.
My mind is being blown a little bit right now.
If you guys haven't watched the TV show that we're referencing with the Josh Bennett, click here and you'll check it out. So the new season of Roseanne premiered on TV.
Welcome back.
It was very exciting, and the cool thing was that like there's this iconic granny square blanket on the couch in the show, and actually here in New York City there's a shuttle train, and they wrapped the train.
Yep.
They wrapped the train to make it look like the set of Roseanne with the iconic granny square blanket.
You can't have Roseanne without the...
I know, and there are other shows that have it too.
In the comments below, we'd love to see if you have any shows where you've noticed a granny square blanket or...
I know one of my favorite shows all time ever, Friends.
Okay, scarf's done.
I love Friends.
I love Friends so much.
I'll be there for you. Look out the window to the left. It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Won't you be my neighbor? If you didn't know, that's the theme song from
It is.
Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And in about a month, Won't You Be My Neighbor, the documentary about Mr. Fred Rogers, is gonna be out in theaters, and it looks amazing.
It does look really good. So actually, with all this buzz about the Mr. Rogers documentary coming out in June, Lion Brand has come out with a sweater. It's a Mr. Rogers sweater.
I love that. Will it zip?
Yes.
I love that.
His sweaters that actually his mother handmade for him, like hand knit them.
Which is amazing.
And I've seen it, and it actually gives off Mr. Roger vibes.
I love that. Throwing it back to Mr. R.
Click here to get the pattern.
Speaking of movies, are you a movie watcher? Do you go?
Yes, of course.
So there's a new movie out called Tully.
Yes!
Starring Charlize Theron, which looks great. Fun fact.
She knits.
She's a knitter.
She is a knitter. I'm very excited about it.
Yeah.
Fun fact about that, she's been known to, on her movie sets, knit for her co-stars.
Which is amazing, which is like a great gift. But I also heard that she also teaches her co-stars how to knit.
And that was what I was going to say next. She also teaches them.
You don't want to hear all my knitting stories?
Well, teach a man to fish and you can eat for a lifetime. Buy a man a fish and he'll starve tomorrow. Why does that phrase go? Give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. Teach a man to fish and he'll eat for a lifetime. Give a star a scarf and he'll be like, thank you. Buy a star a scarf and he'll be warm for a day. Teach a star to knit and he'll be warm for a lifetime.
It's beautifully said. Guys, woo! That was a lot of buzzing.
Yeah, my arm's tired.
Guys, if you like what you saw today, remember to give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Yes, and click in the link below for the once a week Yarn Buzz newsletter. And you'll be always in the know with all the buzz.
We love that. Well, I guess that's it for today.
See you later, Stitches.